Hello friends, this is Adhika Vadari from Extra God YouTube channel. So friends, as you know, in last video I gave you a question and you have to solve it. Hope you guys have solved the question. So in this video I will tell you the solution of that question. So let me make a new file, solution1.py. Okay, so here you have to take two inputs from user. So here I will use username and I will give comma and then age. Okay, now I will write here input, enter your name and age separated with comma. Okay, now I will write dot split and I will write here comma. Okay, now what we have to do, we have to print like this: Adrika's age is 13. Okay, so guys, as I told you in last video, you have to use single quotes only in whole program, right? So let me put single quotes here. Okay, so now you have to print it like this. So if we print, we will write username first and then we will concatenate it with single quotes and then we will write apostrophe s right here. So as you can see, it is throwing an error. So what we have to do, we have to use escape sequences. So we will use backslash here. Okay, now we will write age is and then we will concatenate age. As you can see that age is string only, so we don't have to convert it into string. And now if I run it, wait a second, here we will write Adrika comma and 13. Okay, Adrika's age is 13. If you want, you can put a full stop here also. Okay, here we will use full stop. Okay, now you will see that in next we have written user will be 14 next year, right? So in next line we will print user will be, and what we have to do, we have to add 1 to the age. So as I told you, integers can't be concatenated to strings and strings can't be added to integers. So what we have to do here, we will add age plus, here we will write age plus 1. So it will throw an error because age is a string. So we have to first convert age to integer, right? Now it will work properly. Integer age plus 1. But now as it is an integer, it won't be concatenated to a string. So what we have to do, we have to write str here and we have to close the whole calculation in parenthesis, right? Now after this we will concatenate, we will write next year. Okay, so here let me put single quotes only. Actually I'm habitual to putting double quotes, that's why I am a little bit confused in it. So now if I write here Adrika and here let me write 13. So as you can see, wait a second, we have to give a space here also. So let me run it once again. Here Adrika, comma 13. See, Adrika's age is 13. User will be 14 next year. One L is missing here. Okay. So this is the answer of this question. Hope you guys enjoyed it. See you soon in my next video, guys. Thank you for being with me till the end of the session.